Hi, my name is Anushka Sanyal, and I go to Homestead High School and live in Los Altos in California. For my project, I focused on toxic protein clumping called aggregation and how this drives neurodegenerative diseases like ALS and Alzheimer's disease. Now, specifically, I investigated how knocking out a unique gene called DBR1 causes the accumulation of these unique RNA structures called lariats that look like little sixes. So these lariat RNA structures actually modify toxic proteins so that their effects on a cell are less toxic. Now, although this sounds great, unfortunately, DBR1 deletion is actually very detrimental to cells, and we can't survive without DBR1 expression. So, my work suggests that the synthetic replication of the gene's beneficial qualities of this beneficial RNA lariat accumulation can actually be used as a therapeutic technique to target toxic protein aggregation in neurodegenerative diseases. Beyond research, I love participating in speech and debate, where I have participated for 7 years in a whole variety of categories. And through my favorite event, oratorical interpretation, I can transform into different characters and revisit historical moments, and it's just a passion of mine where I can voice what's different. Beyond that, I love to bake and watch all types of movies in my free time. And fortunately, with being at home for long periods of time, I've gotten to really hone these hobbies of mine, and I've gotten to watch all sorts of movies that I've had on my list for a while. And my favorite genres are horror, comedy, and thriller. So a whole diverse array of movies. When it's time for some peace and quiet, I love to explore Zillow, despite having very little professional aspirations to pursue real estate or architecture. But it's just a cool place to explore. And in addition to that, I actually love playing card games with my friends, and one of our favorite traditions is to do Secret Santa. Every year during the December timeframe, we coordinate this, and unfortunately this year it was a little bit more challenging, but we were able to plan really detailed schedules and make it so everyone secretly was able to deliver presents to people's porches, and we all got on a Zoom call and got to see the same expressions of surprise and laughter as we got to do every year before that. So it was really fun trying to figure out an innovative way through that problem, as I'm sure a lot of you have figured out innovative ways to get through your problems as well. So yeah, I hope this was helpful to learn more about me, and thank you so much for listening.